Listen up, because if you've ever sat there feeling like the whole system is rigged, you know what this is about. They tell you gatekeepers, those supposed watchdogs holding the keys to the funds, are here to protect your interests. But deep down, you realize something's rotten. They say they guard your capital, your trust, your future. Yet, every time you look closer, the so-called protectors stand between you and your power, filtering opportunities, throttling access, twisting incentives. It's maddening. It's infuriating. They're supposed to be on your side, but too often, their loyalty is to the status quo, to insiders, to those who fill their pockets, not yours. You pour your blood, sweat, and money in, and where does it end up? Behind layers of opaque decisions, with interests buried in jargon and fine print. Your voice? Silenced. Your leverage? Stripped away. You sit there, frustrated, watching others build empires on your capital while you get crumbs, or worse, illusions of choice. This isn't just unfair, it's a betrayal. But here's the brutal truth you need to hear. No one will save you. The gatekeepers weren't built to protect you. They guard their own realm. So what now? You break the cycle in the most radical way possible. Stop waiting for permission. Start acting like the power you are. This means mastering your network like never before. Don't chase fund managers' approvals. Hunt down founders with real grit, co-investors who share your urgency, advisors who speak your language, not the system's script. Build ruthless synergy that cuts through the noise. Dive into deep due diligence. Don't just skim glossy decks or buzzwords. Find the raw truths others miss. Ask the questions others fear. What are they really hiding? Who benefits if this deal fails you? What incentives are quietly pulling strings? Then, leverage technology and data ruthlessly, because information is your weapon against the gatekeepers' walls. Use AI, alternative data, direct communications, even social proof to obliterate their opaque advantage. Here's where most get stuck. They think capital alone sets the table. Wrong. Your agenda, your values, your strategic vision, these are your edge. Get obsessed with aligning investments not just by market trends, but by shared mission. Limited partners, founders, investors, they're not marks. They're warriors in a rare fight for real change, for transcending crumbling systems. So don't just fund companies. Fund movements. Fund ideas that shock the old order. Then you create pressure they can't ignore. You build a new ecosystem where trust is earned block by block, fast, transparent, and brutal in its meritocracy. You force gatekeepers to either evolve or be cut out. And here's the secret that no one will shout from the rooftops. True protection isn't from others. It's from your own relentless self-education and connection. Nourish your intelligence daily. Surround yourself with those who challenge every assumption. Build partnerships that dare to disrupt, not maintain. Reject the illusion that capital reserves or history guarantee safety. They don't. What guarantees your future is your active rebellion against the comfortable lies. You own your freedom only if you fight for it like your life depends on it. Because it does. So right now, start forming your own autonomous network. Cut the red tape. Speak directly. Share knowledge without filters. Demand ruthless transparency. And never, ever settle for half measures that protect gatekeepers more than investors. The system is fragile. It's time you crush the walls between you and your real power. You are not here to be a bystander or a passive victim. You are here to rewrite the rules, to ignite the rare, fierce connections that force new realities into existence. This fight isn't for the faint-hearted, but the prize is total liberation, freedom of choice, freedom of capital, freedom to build the future on your terms. This is your call to break the chains. Don't wait for them to protect you. Be the protector. Be the force they fear. The gatekeepers are watching. Now show them that you control the gates.